Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Enough! If I ever see a baby shark, I'm going to kick it in its stupid baby. Tease. Run away.
Oh, the sun! Believe me, we hate it way more than you.
The first rule of cat ripping is to wait in the shadows.
Now, Papa? Not yet. You have 6 lives left.
Oh, but I wanted to rip him.
Patience. A cat ripper's greatest will.
Hannah, did you just rip that mouse?
What mouse?
Congratulations again.
Wait, that is it?
Oh, actually,
For a second there, I thought you were just going to trust us with a baby. See, we have no idea what we are doing.
car seat. Check. Okay, bye.
Ah, crap.
Hey, you're right.
Mama, may I have some food? Let me get you a plate.
Oh, don't trouble yourself.
What? Who wants dessert? Ugh. I'm not eating that. Thanks for thanking for us tonight. We already down the ad, but you'll need to kite the boss for a bit. He didn't recently, so watch out for his new dots and the enraged timer. If you catch aggro, just CC him with the iPad until he runs out of mana.
If you get rip-ups, spam the patchy on cooldown. I hope you are rocking some poop resist gear, because you do not want a wipe on your hands.
Wait, what? You dare enter my realm? You are not prepared. Put that under your pillow and the Tooth Fairy will leave your money.
Tooth Fairy, Papa! You've ruined me.
Baby shark do. Damn. The kids are finally asleep. Time to set the mood.
I've been looking forward to this all day.
Ah! Shoot it! Heal up!
I'm out of green herbs!
What's childbirth actually like? Imagine the biggest, most momentous moment in your life? I was going to say poo, but that other stuff too, I guess. There is actual poo too. Surprise! I made you a castle. Let your imagination run wild. Knights, princesses, dragons! You can be anything you want to. Do anything you dream. Sorry, the McFlurry machine is broken. Ah, seriously? They forgot the fries. I'm going back. Mom, why doesn't Daniel Tiger wear pants? I guess Miss Tiger lost the battle to get him dressed. I can relate. Captain's log. Stardate 204566.
We barely survived our last encounter. Life support on critical. Continuing to our mission in the Gamma. What the?
Raise shields!
Oh, absolutely not. I let the Millennium Falcon slide. But Enterprise is not getting owned by the Paw Patrol. We surrender! What do you want from us?
Cookies. Did you know that M&Ms are different species? Wah! Wah! What is that? It sounds familiar. Look, Mommy! We found all the lost toys in a cupboard. But why can't I see my eyes?
No more questions. Gotta get to sleep, or the boogeyman will get you. Night, night.
How does the wind blow? What's a virgin? Who built the universe?
I quit. I heard a noise downstairs. Do you have any idea how much trouble you are in? Go to bed.
Yes, sir.
Unbelievable! That was a baller move.
He is so cool.
I would have never had the stones to do that. Oh, honey, Formula? Don't you want him to do well in school?
You know, when I first met you, I really didn't like you.
I thought there was going to be another half to that sentence.
No. Oh, ladies, breastfeeding? Formula? Don't you want them to do well in school? Shoes!
Okay, I'll get you shoes if you'll just stop crying. Here you go.
Yeah, ready to go.
Oh, where are you going, cutie pie?
Going to hit you. Shoes.
Time to pick up your toys.
No. I feel over. Why does it hurt so much?
Because karma, baby, karma.
Are you a witch?
Cooper, I'm so sorry. It's fine. No, little one, I'm not a witch.
See, Cooper, I told you. She's just normal ugly. I am going to be Spider-Man for Halloween.
But what about all the amazing characters you've invented?
I am going to be Black Shadow Mega Power Core Pirate Booty Butt Face.
Yeah, you could have just bought a costume. But no! You had to open your big, encouraging mouth.
Actually, I am going to be new hero called Boxman.
Okay.
I can fit this cupcake in my mouth.
Come, boy, it's past time you learned our ways. The sweet tooth is strong in you, but you have much to learn, young Padawan. Teach you, I will. Is everything to your satisfaction?
No. Those awful people are ruining our evening.
I'm terribly sorry. Which table? I love you. Are you talking to me or the iPad?
Hey, buddy, can you put that in the trash, please? Nah.
Oh, he's a little butt, isn't he? Why do we love him so much?
I mean, there is definitely some Stockholm Syndrome at play.
Oh, for sure.